We have to remember the 5th verse of Siksastakam. Mama janmani janmanīśvare bhavatād bhaktir ahaitukī tvayi. If I have to come back again many, many times, Mahaprabhu is pointing out, don't worry about that. All we should pray that we can have bhakti or devotion to Krishna. So, also Prabhupada pointed out, at a less advanced stage one should aspire for liberation or getting out of the material nature. But as you become more advanced, then your attitude is, doesn't matter. This material world is, this world is so wonderful. Isn't it? So much opportunity to preach. So many prisoners are suffering in this prison house. So let's go and remind them how wonderful it is to surrender to Krishna and the wonderful benefit that you'll get out of that. So the devotee's attitude is, doesn't matter how many times I have to come here. I don't mind, as long as I can remain Krishna conscious. So that should be our only prayer.